good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to online class. How are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Today, we are going to see the subject Social Science of 5th Standard. Now, I recall you the lesson 2 towards history. Stone Age, Karkalam. The period in which stones were used as tools and weapons called Stone Age. Early humans lived in jungles. They used the stone tools to protect themselves from animals. At first, dog was their pet animal. They ate everything raw, including flesh, because they did not know the use of fire in the beginning. Early humans noticed forest fire. They found some animals dead due to fire. They ate the flesh of the burnt animals. It tasted good. Since then, they ate cooked food. They also observed that the spark came out by scratching two stones together. They did not know to grow crops. They wandered in all the landscapes in search of food and water. They wore leaves, skins of animals, barks of trees to cover their body. They lived in caves and holes of big trees. Stones were sharpened as tools by them. They made it with the help of other stones. These sharp tools helped to hunt animals and tear the flesh of animals. Early humans used bones, horns, stones, skin, branches of trees and sticks as their tools and weapons. Stone Age can be classified into 3 types. First one, Paleolithic Age. Second one, Mesolithic Age. And the third one, Neolithic Age. Paleolithic Age is also known as Old Stone Age. Mesolithic Age is also known as Middle Stone Age. And Neolithic Age is also known as New Stone Age. Paleolithic Age. In that period, early humans lived in jungles. Mesolithic Age. People lived at the river banks. And Neolithic Age. They started cultivation and used cattle. See this picture. Early humans had nomadic life. Early humans did not know how to grow crops. They wandered in all the landscapes in search of food. They ate whatever they got and drank water from natural sources. This kind of life was called nomadic life. Nomadic means unsettled. That means they had no permanent place. நாடோடி வாழ்க்கை. They had nomadic life. நாடோடி வாழ்க்கை. அவர்களுக்கு நிரந்தரமான இடமும் நிரந்தரமான வாழ்க்கையும் இல்லாமல் உணவை தேடியும் தண்ணீரை தேடியும் அலைபவர்களாக இருந்தார்கள். They had a nomadic life. Look at these pictures. You can see a picture of stone wheel, kal chakaram and pottery making. Stone wheel. When the stones roll down the mountains, they acquire round shape, isn't it? Humans observed them and thus wheel was invented. In the beginning, it was made of stone and later by wood. Stone wheel was the first scientific invention of early humans. Next, pottery, manpandangal. Pottery was also one of the greatest inventions by humans. Stone houses were also built. Stone Age people made all the household artifacts by themselves. After these several inventions were made, humans started living in a settled place. They also noticed a forest fire. At first they were afraid of fire. They ate the flesh of the burnt animals. It tasted good. Since then, they ate cooked food. Early humans used a type of stone called flint, was used to produce fire. They also used quartzite, a type of stone, for making stone tools and weapons. They used fire for protecting themselves from animals, to find the path at night, to protect themselves from winter. Now we see what is prehistoric period. There was no record of human activities or writings. வரலாற்றுக்கு முந்தைய காலம். What is historical period? There was a record of human activities or writings. வரலாற்று காலம். Prehistorical period was classified into 5. Paleolithic age or old stone age, Mesolithic age or middle stone age, Neolithic age or new stone age. Fourth one, Chalcolithic age or copper age. And the fifth one, iron age. Lithic means relating to stone. Chalcolithic age. At the end of new stone age, copper was invented. In this age, both stone and copper were used. So this period was called Chalcolithic age, செம்பு காலம். After that, humans found iron and started using iron tools and weapons. This age was called Iron Age. In this age, household articles, agricultural tools, etc. were made of iron. Next, scripts. Scripts inscribed about a king's rule, people or society on rocks and walls are called inscriptions. INSCRIPTIONS. Inscriptions na kalvettukkal. Usually they are found on temple walls. Scripts na letters. SCRIPTS. Scripts na letters. எழுத்துக்கள். Inscribed. INSCRIPED. Inscribed na எழுதுதல் அல்லது பொறித்தல் அல்லது செதுக்குதல். About a king's rule, people or society on rocks and walls are called inscriptions. Inscriptions na kalvettukkal. Usually they are found on temple walls. ஒரு அரசனின் ஆட்சி காலம் அல்லது சமுதாய நிலை அல்லது மக்களை பற்றி பாறைகளிலும் சுவர்களிலும் பொறிக்கப்பட்டவை தான் இந்த கல்வெட்டுக்கள். பொதுவாக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த இன்ஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ஸ் கல்வெட்டுக்கள் எங்கே அதிகமாக காணப்படும்னா கோவில் சுவர்களில் அதிகமாக நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட், coins. See the picture of coins. Study of coins is called numismatics. நாணயங்களை பற்றிய படிப்பது நாணயவியல் என்று அழைக்கப்படுகிறது. Study of coins is called numismatics. 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 Study of coins is called numismatics. All type of coins, right from metals to paper, help to learn about the kings and economic conditions of that period. All types of coins, right from metals to paper. அதாவது மெட்டல்ஸ்னா உலோகங்கள். உலோகத்திலிருந்து காகிதம் வரையிலான எல்லா வகையான நாணயங்களும் எதை பற்றி நமக்கு தெரிய உதவி செய்யுதுன்னா help to learn about the kings and economic conditions of that period. இந்த வகையான நாணயங்கள் அந்த காலத்தின் அரசர்கள், காலம், எக்கனாமிக் கண்டிஷன்ஸ்னால் பொருளாதார நிலை பற்றி நமக்கு அறியதற்கு இந்த நாணயவியல் வந்து பெரிதும் உதவுகின்றன. ஆர்கியாலஜிக்கல் எக்ஸ்கவேஷன்ஸ். ஆர்கியாலஜிக்கல்னா தொல்லியல், எக்ஸ்கவேஷன்ஸ்னா அகழாய்வுகள். பூமியில் தோண்டப்படுவதன் மூலமாக கிடைக்கக்கூடிய பொருட்கள். ஆர்கியாலஜிக்கல் எக்ஸ்கவேஷன்ஸ் இன் தமிழ்நாடு, ஆதிச்சநல்லூர், அரிக்கமேடு and கீழடி are the sites where the objects used by the people of the past are excavated. Still, research is going on in these sites. Adichanallur is in Thoothukudi district, Arikamedu is in Puducherry and Keeladi is in Sivagangai district. இப்போ ரீசெண்டாக நியூஸில் கீழடியில் ரிசர்ச் நடந்துகிட்ருக்கு. மனிதனுடைய 5 அடி நீளம் கொண்ட ஒரு எலும்புக்கூடை கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க. அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் 3 குழந்தைகளோட எலும்புக்கூடு உடையாமல் இருக்கான். ஸோ அதை ரிசர்ச் பண்ணி இது எந்த காலத்தில் வாழ்ந்த மனிதனோட எலும்புக்கூடு அப்படின்றத ஆராய்ச்சி நடந்துகிட்ருக்கு. ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் வாட்ச் நியூஸ் டெய்லி, யூ வில் கெட் மோர் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ். ஓகே. Burial parts called urns have been excavated, in which the dead bodies were placed and buried under the ground. Burial parts called urns have been excavated, in which the dead bodies were placed and buried under the ground. அதாவது இறந்தவர்களோட உடல்களை பானைகளில் வைத்து பூமிக்குள் புதைக்கப்பட்ட காலம் இருந்தது. அதுக்கு பேர் தான் முதுமக்கள் தாழிகள், urns. URNS, urns. My dear children, now we see the bookmark exercise of lesson 2. First, choose the best answer. First one, Paleolithic humans A. wore cotton clothes, B. wore woolen clothes, C. wore leaves and skins of animals. Once again I say, Paleolithic humans. Paleolithic na old stone age. Old stone age people, humans, wore cotton clothes, B. wore woolen clothes, C. wore leaves and skin of animals. Which is the right answer? Yes, C is the right answer. Wore leaves and skin of animals. Second one, dash was the first pet animal of man. Dash was the first pet animal of man. கற்கால மனிதர்கள் பயன்படுத்திய முதல் செல்ல பிராணி எது? A. cow, B. horse, C. dog. Yes, C. dog is the right answer. Third one, what was the first metal discovered by early human? What was the first metal discovered by early human? A. iron, B. copper, C. gold. A. iron, B. copper, C. gold. மனிதன் பயன்படுத்திய கண்டுபிடித்த முதல் உலோகம் எது? Iron, copper, gold. B. copper is the right answer. Next, fill in the blanks. First one, early man lived in dash. Early man lived in dash. Early man lived in caves and holes of big trees. Early man lived in caves and holes of big trees. Even jungle is also the right answer. Early man lived in jungles. Early man lived in caves and holes of big trees. Second one, the Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as dash. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as dash. Weapons. WEAPONS, weapons. Third one, dash was used to produce fire. Dash was used to produce fire. Yes, the right answer is flint stone. Flint stone was used to produce fire. F-L-I-N-T, flint. Flint stone was used to produce fire. Fourth one, dash is the first scientific invention of man. Dash is the first scientific invention of man. Yes, stone wheel. Stone wheel is the first scientific invention of man. Fifth one, at the end of New Stone Age, dash was invented. At the end of New Stone Age, dash was invented. The right answer is copper. At the end of New Stone Age, copper was invented. Symbol. Now say after me. Early man lived in dash. Early man lived in jungles, caves and holes of big trees. Second one, the Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Third one, flint stone was used to produce fire. Flint stone was used to produce fire. Chikimukki kal. Fourth one, stone wheel is the first scientific invention of man. Fifth one, at the end of New Stone Age, copper was invented. Dear children, finally we have come to the assignment part. You have to read the lesson too fully. Whenever you get time, please have the practice of reading. Reading habit is a very good habit. So you should read whenever you get time. Study the book exercise and write 2 times in your homework note. Along with that, you have to write the names of some iron tools found at your home. Do you understand? Thank you, my dear children, for your kind attention. Please spend your time usefully and carefully. Avoid watching TV all the time. You have to do the given homeworks in all the subjects. Wash your hands frequently with the soap. Stay home, stay safe. We will meet in the next class. Thank you very much.